In tf.nn.maxFool 2D, the input tensor has to be of this particular dimensions, which is batch size, height and width, and channels. And this is going to be similar to the example that we talked about in maxpool, except that here this is a specialized application of maxpool 2D. Then we have the kernel size, which is 1 by 2 by 2 by 1, and that's uh, to so the values are uh, sort of matching the dimensions that we have for the input. And then for stride, we have set the value to 1 to move in each of the dimensions, which is batch, height, width, and channels. And so when we use the method tf.nn.max underscore pool, we have to add the 2D in front of the pool. That's the only difference. And here the input arguments have input I is equal to input, kernel k size is equal to kernel size, stride is equal to stride, padding is equal to valid, and when we run this, we get the output as we see. The output tensor is of shape 1 by 3 by 3 by 1, and what we have here is we are taking the max value of these values 1, 2, 5, 6. So 6 is the max value, that's what we have here. Then we move by stride of 1. So now we look at the max of these four values 2, 3, 6, and 7. So we have value of 7. So that's the 7. And so on. In the last case, we look at these four values 11, 12, 15, 16. And we see that 16 is the max value, and that's what we have in the output. So that is how we can use maxpool 2D in TensorFlow. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comments section below. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.